Imagine, just a few minutes after launching, you start receiving rewards in Binance Coin and 7 other popular cryptocurrencies. Without mining farms, without extra investments. This is not theory, this is a working version of the program that is already bringing profit to our users. And we have dozens of grateful reviews confirming the result. Today, I will show you UpFlash in action, software that uses Flash transaction creation technology to receive rewards. And right now you can test the program absolutely free for 1 day. It's simple, follow the link to the official Telegram bot, select the program, and follow the instructions. 1. Download the UpFlash archive. 2. Unpack it. Inside you'll find a text file with the password and the start file. 3. When start, enter the password and the program is activated. After launch, simply choose the mining power and insert your BNB wallet address. That's it, the process starts, and rewards begin to flow. The link for the test and purchase is in the description and comments below the video. Test to 1 day for free, and the full license with lifetime support is only $1,500. Be careful, beware of scammers and fakes. Use only the official version.